I just decided about a year and a half ago, I started thinking maybe now's the right time to do this again, especially with the feedback I was getting from the pinball party and talking to operators. And really, the seed was sown then, and I started talking to some like-minded individuals because I wanted to bring some real quality people onto the team. And things sort of started to snowball from there, really. And we started seriously working on this project, as in green-lighting the project last summer. Well, I just believe that at the moment, some of the inherent problems in the past were things like reliability, and I think there's also cost issues now, because there's a lot of pinball machines out there at the moment for the collector's market. But I think from talking to other operators, they feel that maybe there isn't a product there for the operators market. And I really wanted to target that, and so that was really the basis of where I wanted to go. And so the snapshot I got from talking to operators was the first thing that needed to be addressed was cost, and the second thing was reliability and serviceability. And those really are the core principles behind my company. I will be building an assembly line in South Wales, and we should be making our pinball machines from there and shipping out internationally and domestically from South Wales. And the delivery time was, as the flyer says here, Cersei's Animal House opening for business in early 2013. Our estimated delivery date is going to be mid to end of February 2013. I think a lot of people talk about manufacturing pinball parts in the Far East, and I think there are benefits from a cost perspective, but I think when you're developing a pinball game, it's very much an organic process. There's a long development cycle there. And I just felt that we needed to have British manufacturers, as in British manufacturing partners nearby, so we could react quickly. For example, if you make a plastic ramp and it's not quite right, you want to be able to make adjustments to that and be able to get it back on your whitewood within days, if not a week. So I just felt that it was much better to do everything from the UK, and also, from a cost perspective, it wasn't that much of a negative issue. I mean, the business model that I've put together for my company is that we can actually really look at doing some innovation again, because I think that innovation has been lacking maybe within the last few years, like multiple level playfields, for example, lower playfields, upper playfields. There's a lot that can be done there, and one thing that I'm very keen to do is to look at all the latest technologies that are out there at the moment, to see how these technologies can be incorporated onto our pinball games, because quite honestly, I think that people's perception of pinball is that it's something that's been stuck in the past. I mean, you see pinball machines and TV adverts these days, and you still hear the ding, 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 the electromechanical, and I think people's perception is that pinball is an ancient retro product, and it doesn't have to be that way. So I think it's a case of bringing new innovation, latest innovations to pinball, and really bringing it into the 21st century.